Hey gamers! Today we're talking about PUBG servers, fiber optics, and why the UAE has one of the world's best gaming infrastructures, plus a step-by-step WireGuard VPN setup to reduce your ping and get a smoother gaming experience. The PUBG Mobile Middle East server is located in Dubai, UAE. Pakistan and UAE are connected by multiple direct submarine fiber optic cables, including the Orient Express cable, a 1,300-kilometer underwater link between Karachi and Gwadar in Pakistan and Kalba in the UAE. This direct fiber path means data travels the shortest physical distance with minimal hops, giving Pakistani players naturally lower ping, often 60 to 90 milliseconds to Dubai servers compared to 150 to 250 milliseconds when routing through Europe or Singapore. If your game has high ping and you want a smooth experience, watch this. First, we'll find the best WireGuard server for you. Open any browser and type VPN Janted, then visit the website homepage. Find the menu, click on Free VPN, then from the submenu, tap on WireGuard VPN. You will see different locations. For Pakistan players, choose UAE, Dubai, or Singapore. These are closest to PUBG's Middle East server. Tap on your chosen location. You will see an account form. Enter your username, password, check the reCAPTCHA, then press Create Server. Wait a few seconds and your server will be created. Download the config file or QR code and save them securely.
Now we have two servers. Next, we will import and use the config in the WireGuard VPN app. First, download the WireGuard VPN client. Open the Play Store, type WireGuard and search. From search results, tap on WireGuard by WireGuard LLC. Tap Install. Once installed, tap Open to launch it. Now import the first server config. On the app home screen, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Select Import from File. Locate the configuration file in the Downloads folder and import it. Note, on mobile browsers, the file may have a .txt extension. If this happens, rename the file to remove the .txt extension before importing. Once imported, tap on configs one by one to connect. Once connected, open YouTube to see if it's working. If it's connected to the internet, YouTube will play. If it shows connected but doesn't route traffic, try the other server. Or check if your IP changed by visiting whatismyip.com or using the link on screen. For Pakistan players, always select UAE Dubai as your WireGuard exit node when playing PUBG. Because of the direct submarine cable link between Karachi and UAE, your game data takes the shortest path to the PUBG Middle East server in Dubai, reducing ping by 30 to 70 milliseconds compared to default ISP routing. A few troubleshooting tips. If VPN shows connected but no internet, try the other server config. If ping is still high, your ISP may be throttling. Try connecting at off-peak hours.